So if you are thinking about moving to Cleveland, Tennessee, then there is one thing that you have to do, and that is eat. And so today we're going to go around the downtown area and we're going to look at things like pupusas and enchiladas, chimichangas. We're going to go check out some amazing Hispanic cuisine because this place has a ton. So buckle up because we're getting ready to drive on out. If you've been thinking about moving to Cleveland, Tennessee, you might already know that we've got great schools, solid job opportunities, and attainable housing. But here's something that you might not see in a brochure. This place has flavor, and I mean that in every way possible. Over the past decade or so, Cleveland has become a quiet hub for Latin American culture. Some say it began when shifts in the carpet industry in nearby Dalton, Georgia, nudged families to look for new opportunities. And Cleveland's strong manufacturing base with Whirlpool, Duracell, Mars Chocolate, Ralph Lauren, and Dr. Scholl's and more offered just that. And today, this influence is unmistakable. From grocery stores to restaurants to community events, the Hispanic culture is woven into the everyday fabric of life here. So if you're thinking about relocating, let me show you a side of Cleveland that might surprise you and why it could feel even more like home than you would have imagined. Our first stop is going to be Ch'Orti Cocina Latina, a super cool spot that's tucked underneath a hotel that brings the warmth of Central American cooking right to your table. You get to experience flavors not just from Mexico, but Guatemala and El Salvador. Their sweet corn tamale, subtly sweet, almost like a warm hug, and their homemade tortillas are the kind of thing that you'll find yourself thinking about for days later. And something that I really love is the Guatemalan hilachas, which is this braised beef and a potato and carrot stew with my favorite condiment ever, pickled onions. And their horchata is really something special with this earthy flavor that goes just beyond a rice and cinnamon milk. This is more than just a meal. It's an experience that gives you a glimpse into the roots and traditions that families here are proud to share. Now, if you want to know what it feels like to live in a town where the food carries a deep familial connection, Ch'Orti is the place. Next up, we're going to have Carneceria LOA number 9. Now, this isn't just a restaurant. It is a full-blown experience. It's a grocery store, a bakery, and a kitchen all in one. Now, pro tip, this combo of grocery store and restaurant is where you almost always will find the best Mexican food. Tacos that taste like they were made in someone's abuela's kitchen. Fresh pastries and a lineup of spices and ingredients that could turn anyone into a home chef. And here's the cool part. Right next door is a whole mini mall of Hispanic-owned businesses. There's Nila's Tacos, a juice bar, and some specialty shops right there too. Living here means having access to more than just chain restaurants and big box stores. You're getting real culture in your daily life. And if you're exploring homes in neighborhoods like Blythe Oldfield, you'll just be a short drive from this whole area. Blythe Oldfield is one of the oldest historic communities here in Cleveland and is currently undergoing a whole host of extraordinary revitalization efforts. It's affordable, central, and full of potential for those that are looking to be a part of a community that's growing and evolving. Now, last but not least, let's talk about Mexi Botanas. This place is so much fun. They craft their own ice cream in-house, and let me tell you, they have this Mexican vanilla ice cream that's nothing like you've ever tasted. It has this indescribable flavor that it just hits differently. And if you're lucky enough to visit during one of their specials, like the Dubai chocolate strawberry cup that they've had a few times, it sells out fast. It's been all the rage on social media, and for good reason. It's places like this that make Cleveland feel surprisingly global for its size. And nearby, you'll find College Hill, one of Cleveland's historic neighborhoods. It's full of charm, older homes with character, and a strong sense of community. Many people who move here fall in love with its walkability and the potential for renovation and investment. With organizations like City Fields, a community development corporation offering programs in workforce development and affordable home ownership, the future is looking really bright for this part of Cleveland. Okay, check this out. When people think about relocating, they often focus on the numbers, the square footage, the price per square foot, school rankings, and all of that does matter. But what really makes a place feel like home? It's things like this. It's walking into a bakery that smells like your childhood. It's sharing food and stories with your neighbors. It's watching your town grow in ways that are real and rich and welcoming. Cleveland, Tennessee isn't just a place with job opportunities. It's a place where cultures are blending, people are connecting, and life is full of small surprises. Now, whether you're drawn to the historic charm of College Hill, the evolving energy of Blythe Oldfield, or simply the idea of living somewhere that feels like a true community, this might just be your next move. So if you're thinking about relocating here, let this video be more than just a food tour. Let it be a taste of the spirit of Cleveland, hardworking, welcoming, and full of flavor. The people who've moved here, many of them after big life changes, aren't just surviving, they are thriving. And if that's the kind of life that you're looking for, you're gonna fit right in. If you've got a favorite Hispanic restaurant in town, go ahead and drop it in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe to keep discovering people and stories that make it so great to live your life in Cleveland, Tennessee. Hey, I'm Chris Roberts, your experienced licensed real estate agent right here in the Chattanooga region, serving areas from Georgia all the way up to Cleveland, Tennessee. Now, I understand that buying or selling a home is a significant decision, and I am here to help guide you every step of the way on your timeline. So whether you're considering a move in the coming weeks or months, let's have a conversation about your goals. You can connect with me through the link that's right below, or feel free to call or text me from the number that you'll see right here on the screen, and you can even just send me an email today.